And he tries to trick me with the bone.
And he drops it. No! Get you! No. Take your bone and leave. Yep. Bye. Bye.
Hey, buddy.
Hey, my friend.
Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to go.
I think I see your mom. Where'd you go?
I don't want anyone to get hurt though.
Hey. Look. I'm glad that he feels comfortable with us.
Yeah.
That he can just
Just chill.
A baby one.
Excuse me, sir. Yes, quick question for you. Why are you so cute?
Extra money and at least have some other rental income coming in. You know what? It might be by cost of living. 6 months of rental income coming in. You know what? It might be by cost of living. Oh, she said, you know what? It might be possible.
I had to get him on video.
Really?
Foot rubs.
Like this board, because that's why I try to have the other guys do all of the encounters, and all I do is take him with me to food, hang out, have lunch in my truck. That's like the
That's nice.
Oh, it feels good, doesn't it? No foot scratching.
All right, Pen. It's time for us to go.
No.
Pen, we have to go.
Oh.
What do you mean, I haven't even told you where we're going.
No.
Pen, you're gonna like it.
No.
What do you mean, no, Pen?
No.
We're going to the dog park.
What?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Yup.
Told you.
Where are you going? You're
This is the greatest thing I've ever seen. Hold on. Looking at me.
Uh-huh.
Downtown, walking fast. I'm a seagull. Go fuck yourself. Do 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 do.
Oui. C'est pas animaux, oui.
Can you touch it, man? Does it feel like...
Trend. Kiss your pet on the head and see their reaction.
Looking for Rhett and... Oh, found him. Found him. How'd this happen? How did this happen?
Is a punk without telling me.
Good morning, Bentley and Maggie. Good morning, Finn. Good morning, Darla and Maggie. Good morning, Ellie and Izzy. Good morning, Misty and Sky. Good morning, Cooper and Luna. Good morning, Crosby and Mia. Good morning, Finley and Fleming. Good morning, Lexi.
Circles.
Oh, circles.
More circles.
Oh.
Now, I didn't mention this, but Beck is actually our loudest sea lion. So at their very end for a finale, I'll show you guys.
Look at that little
Unfortunately,
thing.
though, our sea lions do have to head to the back.
And here's
Before they
Bex.
do, I'm sure they would love to give you one last sea lion farewell.